If you want to record phone calls on the Samsung Galaxy A57, then the first thing that you can do is you can check if you have a built-in option on your phone that allows you to record phone calls. In some countries, in some cases, it is actually possible to just record a phone call during a call. Usually it is available in the call menu somewhere over here or by going to more. And in my case, unfortunately, this option is not available. In yours, if it is, then of course that's great. You can use it and you can start recording the phone call. But if you don't have that option, then unfortunately, in that case, we need to use a third-party app that allows us to do so. So for that reason, we're going to go to the Play Store. And then over here, we can use search and we can search for something like Call Recorder or something similar, of course. Now in here, we should be able to find many example apps that, at least in theory, should allow us to record phone calls. So be sure to check out any of them. So feel free to try anything that you find in here. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here, and I'm gonna show you how to record a phone call based on this app over here. So let's install the app. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. And once it is installed, of course, we want to open it. So let's wait for that, and let's open it. There we go. Now we're gonna tap on the next. We need to grant some permissions in here, so make sure to do that. There we go. In here we can disable power optimization, so we're gonna tap on OK over here, and then once again, we don't have to agree to location tagging in here, it is not necessary. We have a premium offer which we can skip over here in the upper left corner, and then again. And then we can install a helper. Now, the helper is additional app that is used to help the main app run properly, as it is written over here. So in order to install it, we're gonna tap on Install Helper. We're gonna be redirected to a website of that app where we can find a couple of download options. In my case, I'm gonna use Get Helper on the Galaxy Store, since we already have Galaxy Store on our phone, so why not? It's really simple. So over here, we're gonna tap on Install. And of course, once we install it, we need to set it up as well. So we're gonna do that. And let's take a look. All right, there we go. And here we're gonna tap on Next. Once again, grant all of these necessary permissions. There we go. Over here, tap on Enable App Connector. We're gonna go to Installed Apps, and then we need to choose Cube ACR App Connector, and we need to turn it on. And of course, we're gonna tap on Allow. All right, now we're gonna press on OK, then one more time, and then we can tap on Open Cube ACR. This is of course now the main app, so now both apps are set up. The main one is ready to be used, but before we actually move on, I recommend tapping on these three lines in the upper left corner, and we can check if recording is actually enabled. You can also find some additional settings that you might want to go through in order to, of course, adjust how the app works. And basically, the app allows you to automatically start recording calls. You don't have to manually start recording or anything like that. So that's pretty great, of course. And let me actually call myself so that I can show you how it looks like. And one thing that you need to keep in mind, something that is quite unfortunate, is that many apps actually do not have the access to the earpiece that is, of course, usually used during a call. So that means that it is really problematic for these apps to record phone calls properly. Most of the time, if you don't use the loudspeaker, then it will not be possible to actually hear the caller on that recording. Hence why, if you experience that issue, so if you had a call and then you return to the app and played the recording and then you cannot hear the caller, then the next time you are trying to record the phone call, you want to simply use the loudspeaker, of course, as long as it is possible for you. And this is pretty much the workaround. And as I said, it is unfortunate, but this is what we can do in order to solve this issue. Nevertheless, once we are on a call, as I said, the app is supposed to start recording automatically. So if we go to notifications, we should be able to find two notifications from CubeACR and the helper, which are, of course, indicating that the recording is in progress. Once we end the call, we should be able to go to the CubeACR app, and we should be able to find our recording quite easily. So let's take a look. there we go. Here we have our recording. We can easily play it, of course. We can tap on these three dots on the right side, and we can find some additional options. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.